Welcome to Grammar Lessons with Garnet Education.
We add apostrophe s to singular nouns to show possession.
The woman's car is expensive.
Honk, honk. Honk, honk.
We add the apostrophe after the s to plural nouns that end in s.
The boys' and girls' boots are very dirty.
We use apostrophe s with irregular plural nouns.
The children's shirts are light blue and dark blue.
Come on, you blues!
We can use a possessive instead of a noun phrase to answer the question, whose?
Whose ball is this? It's the children's ball. It's the children's.
Thanks for watching.